My friends, these 5 habits are making you dumb. Listen carefully and leave these 5 habits in your life. So let's start. Number 1, multitasking. Studies have shown time and time again that multitasking makes you less productive. Multitasking is actually a myth. It should be renamed task switching because the human brain is incapable of focusing on 2 things simultaneously. Number 2, checking your phone when you wake up. Our brains are not built to switch from asleep to wide awake instantly. The blue light from your phone floods your brain with stress hormone and puts you in a state of fight or flight seconds after waking. Number 3, not having a bed routine. More often than not, poor bed routine is equal to poor sleep. Sleep deprivation impairs our reflexes, decision making, and ability to learn. A high level of sleep deprivation can even cause similar effects to 8% blood alcohol level. Number 4, not turning off notifications of your phone. Your ability to focus will largely dictate how much you can get done in a day. As soon as you turn on unnecessary notifications, you have willfully given up control of your focus by inviting outside distractions to disrupt your workflow. Number 5, drinking coffee more than water. Even mild dehydration has been shown to have profound negative effects on your mental capabilities. My friends, leave these 5 bad habits and move on in your life. Don't forget to tell us your own opinion about these bad habits in comment section.